At FUCHS, we know that applying lubricant safely and effectively is essential. That's why we offer a wide range of greases and oils in single-point automatic lubrication systems. With these devices, it is possible to achieve up to a 25% cost reduction, ease maintenance by scheduling lubricant discharge, and reducing consumption while applying, according to the needs of each application. In addition, we avoid going inside the bearing or application area, thus increasing safety at work. FUCHS STAR VARIO is an automatic device that discharges lubricant extremely precisely, regardless of temperature and back pressure. In addition, it allows you to monitor the lubricant application remotely through Bluetooth. The system includes an electromechanical motor with LCD display, push-button control and LEDs indicating service status, lubricant cartridges in 60, 120 and 250 cubic centimeter formats, batteries and an adapter. Its simple and intuitive handling prevents insufficient or excessive lubrication and a quick service check. To start with, clean the grease nipple. Screw onto the lubrication point the reducer, to which we will have previously applied sealing product. Connect the grease nipple to the reducer and use a gun to apply the same grease that will be used during the process. The motor works with the battery pack that is included in the package. Once the batteries are in, the motor turns on and the LEDs flash while the device goes through a self-diagnosis test. Screw the device into the grease cartridge until all arrows are visible. Press the Set button for 5 seconds until the screen flashes to access the Setup menu. Press the Set button again and select the cartridge size. Press the Set button again to set the period. Select the number of months from 1 to 12 or weeks from 1 to 26 to indicate the time in which you want the cartridge to discharge completely. The device saves the configuration and allows you to modify it at any time. For correct use and maintenance monitoring, we recommend writing the activation and the expected replacement date on the grease cartridge label. FUCHS STAR VARIO includes a support to screw into the adapter that provides stability to the system. The system is now ready to start lubricating. We will only have to remove the outlet plug, screw into the support installed over the lubrication point, and press the Set button for 1 second to activate the device. Green LEDs will flash if the system has been successfully activated. Its backlit LCD screen makes the setup easy. Thanks to its LED indicators, you can quickly see the status of the device. Different cartridge formats can be used with a single device. Its weekly or monthly configuration allows lubrication to be adapted to the needs of each application. Single-point automatic lubrication systems ensure the use of the correct lubricant with pre-filled and sealed FUCHS lubricant cartridges. Avoid common failures such as solid contamination, the use of aged or inappropriate lubricant, or liquid contamination. With FUCHS, you have an expert team at your service. FUCHS, moving your world.